Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Archer MR550 from TP-Link 4G Plus AC 1200 dual band Wi-Fi LTE router, LTE Cat6 300 megabits per second, plug and play SIM, one mesh with a full gigabit Ethernet ports, MIMO technology, one mesh seamless roaming, advanced security with WPA3. Fast 4G plus mobile broadband speed, vast Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home, two bands 2.4 GHz with a speed up to 300 megabits per second and 5 GHz with a speed up to 867 megabits per second. With the MIMO technology serves multiple devices at once, reducing wait time. Connect up to 64 wireless devices, available one connection. The Gigabit 1 LAN port enables MR550 to work as a traditional wireless router, which is compatible with cable, fiber and DSL modems. And when it's set as a wireless router, its 3G or 4G connection works as backup to provide sustained and reliable internet connection for you. Supports the TP-Link One mesh to provide a more flexible and cost-effective mesh network with a single Wi-Fi name. Easy setup and use, the installation is so easy I will show you. You can choose intuitive web interface or from the TP-Link Tether. You can download from the Google Play Store or App Store. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course I will test my internet speed. That is the most important when you are buying any type of router. So at the box, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. The power adapter, it has an output 12 volt, 1.5 amp, 18 watts, the power consumption. And with the cable length, it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. The Ethernet cable, one meter, yes, correct. And it is Cat5e. The two antennas, very important. And we have the router. Very glossy. I like more the matte. I think it will be more beautiful. Maybe they consider and change that. Now at the back we have the power, you can connect the power adapter, the power on-off button, 3 gigabit LAN ports, LAN 1, 2 and 3, and 1 gigabit LAN 1 port here. WPS reset button, the Wi-Fi on-off button, and the nano SIM card. Insert your SIM card here. Click and it locks. And of course we need to connect and the two antennas. At the bottom we have the ventilation. Two holes, you can mount it at the wall. Fit. And let's install the antenna. Another one here, and of course our adjustable 360 degrees rotation, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. I like it. So let's power it on. On-off button, we can see the LED indicators. The on-off button is flashing. Wi-Fi is on. 4G Plus is on. Already we have internet. I like it. There it is. So if you want to switch off the Wi-Fi, just press at the back and we can see the signal, full signal for the LTE coverage. Press once and the Wi-Fi is off. Double press and it will turn on the Wi-Fi again. Now let's go at the app, Tether app. I have another device, the MR6400. I have made a video for this device. Add a new device. 3G, 4G router. I already connect my hardware. Connect the hardware, insert the SIM, some information, power up your device. LED are ready. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone. And I need to choose the TP-Link B6E7 2.4 or the 5 GHz. 2.4 for now. Enter the password. The password is located at the back of the router and connect. Connected. Let's go back. I'm connected. There is my router. Create a local password. Create. We have the profile setting for the 4G network. Next. You can choose Smart Connect when enabling the 2.4 and 5 GHz networks share the same network name and password. I would like to have two different networks, 2.4 and 5. TP-Link, later I will change the password and the name. The same and for the 5G. Of course you need a different Wi-Fi name for the 5G. And apply. You can copy the password for both networks. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect again. Connect to the 5G. Connected. Finish. And done. So fast to install my new router with this app. At the status, we can see all the information from the provider. Tap at the router. We can see the name, the model, hardware, firmware, IP address. Upload and download. You can run a test. We can see the upload and the download. Later I will run more tests. The history, data usage, total. You can set the limit, megabyte or gigabyte. Usage alert from 10% to 90%. SMS alert, you can add your mobile phone and save. Wireless, and here again you can adjust the wireless network for the 2.4 and the 5 GHz, or you can enable the Smart Connect. The guest network, the same here, you can disable the guest network. Now I would like to adjust my Wi-Fi name and password because I need all my devices to be connected at my new router. Okay, done and save. After that I need to reconnect again to my Wi-Fi network. And done. And here we have some notifications. And we can see here 37 clients. Wow! 32 clients on 2.4 GHz and another 5 at the 5 GHz. Wow, so many! You can choose one of these clients, rename, you can see the connection, IP address, MAC address, you can block it, and then go at the block clients and unblock. That was all, so easy. And all the devices are running so smooth, without any problems. Smart lights, smart plugs, TV, smartphones, laptops, smart hubs and more. So let's move on at the settings. Quick setup, and here you can start the new profile. Next, the same process, I already showed you that. Wireless. And here again you can adjust the wireless network for the 2.4 and the 5 GHz, or you can enable the Smart Connect. Internet connection, you can disable the mobile data, enable the data roaming, disable again, network mode, 4G preferred, 3G, 4G only, 4G. Band, you can choose auto or manual. Dial-up settings, and here you can see all the settings for the profile name. Create profile, you can choose. Most of the time these settings comes automatically from the provider. Authentication type. If you have any problem, you can add all these settings manually. And save, of course, after adjusting all the settings. PIN management. You can set up a PIN. SIM card status ready. Test internet speed. Test. One mesh, you need a second router, parental controls, deactivate, activate, content restrictions, and off, save. Network diagnostics, perfect. SMS, you can check the inbox, edit, outbox, you can write a new guest network, enable, and here you can select the 2.4 or the 5G. 2.4, you can change the name, the same and for the 5G. Security, no password, encrypted, you can add the password. Lock, share Wi-Fi, and here you can share your main network anywhere at any time. Bind, and of course you can unbind. LED control, deactivate, off the LEDs at the front, or activate. Night mode, you can adjust from 2, adjust the hour, the minute, and the LED indicators will turn off at the night mode. Always on. Operation mode, you can choose wireless router or LTE getaway current. I like that. And save. System, manage password, or firmware update, I think it is up to date. You can reboot factory default and log out. And starting now the test from my PC, connected with 20 meters Ethernet cable, connected on gigabit port, I can say the speed is very fast on a 4G Plus network with a strong signal. Speed will be slower. I have tested in a different times of the day and more or less that was the speed. So that's why I'm running the test twice just in case. Next, making the test from my smartphone with 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi on a 10 meters away from my devices, mostly smart devices. It is very stable router. At these 5 days that I'm using it, I didn't find any problems yet. Time will share this video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.